they will go out with their hands up and they win here.
Sorry, Onyx.
Getting great crowd as well. They still have the crowd support for them to watch them
Peace bomb.
battle out through this very competitive group of champions, Group B, the group of death here for the mid-season invitational 2024 at EWC in the Amazon Arena.
Super sad to see the thrill and the agony here for Fnatic Onyx and SRG. But for SRG, it's all smiles definitely for the Malaysian fans who've all been hyping this team up. We've all been talking about them.
Yep.
It almost feels like they're a mythical creature. Everybody's been talking about their scrimmage zones. Everybody's been talking about how strong they are.
Red Giants. It's just shocking the entire MLBB esports world here, of course, with a great performance. And that's closing out Group B for us again. It's me, Naisu, and Mirko, bringing you the action on the desk here. We're going to go ahead and throw it over on stage with Mara and Dawood Sandstorm. Let's hear what they have to say.
From Saligo, Red Giants here with us. Innocent, congratulations. Big statement. You took down the defending MSC champs. And still, you guys are undefeated. Now, how important was this win for you? Seeing how great you guys are doing, especially for your career, coming from the Philippines to Malaysia and to now here in the MSC 2024. Pwedeng Tagalog. You can speak in Tagalog.
Sobrang importante sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, pati na din sa mga kami ko dahil ito yung magiging pag-boost pa ng confidence namin para sa playoffs. Kasi feeling ko kaya namin yung finals. Kaya namin maka-champion sa MSL.
Oh wow! How about for your career?
Sa career ko, feeling ko sobrang importante niya kasi mas nabubus yung confidence ko. Simula nung pag-join ko ng Red Giants, sobrang ganda ng nangyari sa akin.
He's saying that he's feeling really confident. It boosts his confidence, not just for him, but also his teammates, because he knows what they can do and they feel that they can move on, not just a podium finish, but they can take the championship. And as for his career, his confidence is all the way up, especially with what's happening with him right now.
Oh, it's gotta be sky high after a performance like that. And I do have to say, now you are done with the group of death. Now you are done with Fnatic Onyx here at MSC 2024. Is there any other team that you're looking forward to taking down in the knockout stage of the tournament?
Liquid Echo.
Liquid Echo! Bakit? Why Liquid Echo?
Kasi sila yung champion sa MPL page.
Said Liquid Echo because they're the champions in MPL Philippines and they want to defeat the champions.
I mean, you have to make a statement, and that right there, I love the fact that he's making a challenge, and he wants to take on the best team, or one of the best teams here at MSC. And of course, one more question for you. We want to give you this opportunity to say anything to the fans watching you here in Riyadh or supporting you back at home watching this live stream.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng fans namin and sa tita ko na pumunta pa. And sa family ko sa Pinas, lalo na sa girlfriend ko.
Yeah, real bop.
Shout out sa girlfriend ko, Cha.
Cha, we want to say thank you to everybody. Shout out to his aunt that's watching here, all the Filipinos that's watching all over the world, and of course his girlfriend, Cha. Cha, he's winning the championship for you. Congratulations once again. And now we're going to turn it back to the studio to break it down for us. What you got?